Greetings, coding magician. Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to 37th episode of our interesting JavaScript series. Today we are delving into the magical realm of time manipulation with SetInterval and SetTimeout. This spell allows us to control the timing of our code execution. So grab your coding events, let the magic unfold, and let's explore SetInterval and SetTimeout. So here we have a HTML structure and JavaScript code for your SetInterval and SetTimeout. So I will first make a HTML file, index.html, and in this I will just copy this HTML structure and paste it here. Here we have this script file. Just make this script file. First I will explain you whatever we have written in the index.html. So here we have this 1 2 3 4 tags. So here we have first parent div with class name magic container and with h1 time manipulation magic, and we have two buttons. First is set interval button, so start repeating magic, and second we have button set timeout for delete the magic. So here we have this, and here we have this css for this html structure. So in the css we just given some css to body, then we give this is our parent container magic container, and here we have the two buttons. For hovering the background color will change, and this just css. So here we have some script also. Let's see, just copy this and paste it in the JavaScript file. So here we have first this add event listener, which is DOM loaded. So whenever we load this whole document, so this function will call. So whenever we reload the page, this function will call. So here we are taking with these two buttons using get element by id. So here you can see, here you have two buttons with id, different id, set interval button and set timeout button. I hope you are getting this. So next we have set interval button. So on the set interval button we are adding a event listener, which is click. So whenever we click, the function will call. So in this function we have set interval, and in the set interval we have this function, this magical event occurring every 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds this function will call automatically. So next we have set timeout button. So in the set timeout button we add this event listener click. So on this click, this function will call. So set timeout will call after every 5 seconds. So this is 3000 for 3 seconds, and there is 5000 for 5 seconds. I hope you are getting this. So let's see how this is showing on this screen. So just go like this. So here we have this magical container. In this we have this h1 tag, and here we have two buttons. So first we have set interval, and second we have set timeout. So I will click to the set interval. This will play after 3 seconds, and set delayed magic will play after 5 seconds. So if I click this 1 2 3, and this will play in the console. So let's see. So if I reload this, so if I click to this, 1, 2, and 3. This will paste. I hope you are getting this. So if I click delete magic, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is after 5 seconds. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So using set interval and set timeout wisely. As we build this temporal spell, it's crucial to use them wisely, understand when to use set interval for repeated adjustment and when set timeout is a key to patience. Let us explore this wisdom with practical insight and magical. So net and we there you have to follow and gestures. We have developed deep into the magical realm of time manipulation with set interval and set timeout. This spell, like the tick of magical clock, enabled us to control the timing of our code execution. So until then, may your interval be set and your timeout be patient, and may your code adventure be filled with enchantment. Happy coding. I will see you in the next mystical episode.